QuillBot's Paraphraser helps you rewrite your text with clarity, control, and creativity. Whether you're softening your tone, simplifying your message, or working in multiple languages, you can use the Paraphraser to refine your writing without losing your voice. Let's explore QuillBot's Paraphraser. By pressing this button in the middle of the text box, you can paste your copy into the Paraphraser, or, if you prefer, upload a document file. Here, you can see the different modes that you can use to rephrase your text. Paraphraser is multilingual, so you can easily work with over 20 languages from around the world. To start working with Paraphraser, let's imagine that you are writing a rejection letter to a job candidate. Paste the text that you want to modify. Let's make this letter to a job candidate sound a bit warmer. If there are phrases you don't want changed, you can easily freeze them. Just double-click on the selected word and then press Freeze. Now let's choose Custom Mode to make our writing sound warmer. If you want to see another version of your text, you can click the Rephrase button. Or, if you want a suggestion for another word, use the drop-down thesaurus feature to choose the word or phrase variant that you like the most. Our text is almost done, but let's review our tone. It sounds friendly and also formal. Great. We're ready to send this.